Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to be having my easy, delicious green bean casserole. And if you haven't had my green bean casserole, you better slap yourself. And make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you would need. You would need 4 15-ounce cans of green beans, 2 15-ounce cans of cream of chicken. You will need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. You will need just about all of this French's onion, and you will need 1 cup of mayo. And when I get all of these ingredients in my baking dish, I'll be right back to show you how to put it together. And now, you guys, I'm going to be putting the seasonings in my green beans. I already put my green beans in here. So now you're going to do 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of pepper, y'all. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Make sure you season food real good. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Oh, yes. Ooh. And then I'm going to put some of this French's crispy fried onions in it. Oh, that looks good. And all you do, you just mix it up. Mix it up just like that. Mix it up just like that so everything can combine together. Oh, yes. It's going to be so delicious. You can have this green bean casserole for your holiday dish, for a holiday side dish. And when I come back, I will be showing you all how to mix this mayo, cream of chicken, and this Parmesan cheese and this chicken stock together. I'll be right back. And now, you guys, we're going to mix the cream of chicken with the 1 cup of mayo, with the 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, and a half a cup of the chicken stock. I already have it in the bowl, so I'm just going to mix it around just like that. Just like that. That's all you have to do. Just mix it around. Get everything combined, incorporated with one another. And when I come back, I will be putting everything together and showing you the best, easy, delicious green bean casserole. And now we're going to mix all this together. So you mix it all together like that. Put it all in there. All together just like that. It's going to be so delicious, y'all. So delicious. Mix it all in there like that. Just like that, y'all. Just mix it all together like this. Simple and easy, but delicious recipe. Simple and easy, but delicious recipe. Mix it all together, just like that, y'all. All together, mix it all together, just like that. It's going to be so delicious. Woo. Mix it all together like this. And just flatten it out like that. Make sure everything nice and even. Just like that. So everything is nice and even. Just like that. And you want to bake this on 350 for 30 minutes. And when it's just about 5 minutes done, I'm going to put these crispy French's onions on top and put it back in the oven for just 5 minutes to get it a tiny bit golden brown. And when it's done, I'll be back to show you my easy and delicious green bean casserole. And this is the finished product of my easy and delicious green bean casserole. Hocus pocus, my green bean casserole is doing the mostest. Yes! Look at it, y'all. Oh, that looks so delicious. Smells so good. And I bet it's going to taste good. And if you want more easy cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing on in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.